I did the best that I could do, you know, with what I was working with. So
this is what I'm working with right now. I mean, it just looked like it's plain.
It definitely looked plain.
It just looked like it's plain.
So if you remember, I wasn't too happy with my hood. I had a pattern on it. I didn't like it, so I switched it up. And then I realized I probably should have kept it the way it was. Well, I went ahead and sanded that off, and I started over, and I did it how I should have done it in the first place. I basically just copied the pattern that was on the roof. So yeah, I got my hood looking nice now. You know what I'm saying? No worries. It matches the roof. So yeah, so everything look uniform now, and no more problems with the hood. I also cut the back out. You know what I'm saying? Because that's the reason for the scoop, so that I can have room under there. So I went ahead and cut that part out so that the the hydraulic part or whatever can fit up in there. You know what I'm saying? Because it kind of sticks up. And now I got that hood with the scoop, and it just covers it up, and everything is all nice. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's nice. I like that. Another thing I did, I was trying to figure out a way to attach the bottom to the body. You know, because with the hydraulic cars, of course, you got to take them apart and wire them and everything, or line them, or whatever they call it. I don't know. But anyway, put the string on it. So I got some. I had a little speaker, a little plug-in speaker thing or whatever. I took that apart and I cut the screw parts out. You know what I'm saying? The part to hold it together. I cut that out, and I found the points on my body where I wanted it to go, and I combination super glued and hot glued it. You know what I'm saying? So I put the hot glue on it to keep it in place while the super glue cured, and then once that happened, I put some more hot glue on it. I put some more super glue on it, so it's on there pretty good. You know what I'm saying? And I just got 3 points, and I'm just to show you what I did right quick. The 2 back corners, and then 1 corner in the front. So you got the 1 in the front. I had to cut the screw down, to fit. Then you got the 2 in the back. I just drilled holes, you know what I'm saying, in the bottom part, the chassis, and everything. Now here's what I was talking about. See, I just put the, I guess it would be like the nut, the nut part, you know what I'm saying, to the screw. I just went ahead and glued that onto the body on the inside at those points, right there and right there. And then I did one up front, right there. So yeah, I got those on there, so I got the body where it can come on and off, no problems. And yeah, so everything is right on.